Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Raj, and today we'll be discussing about the computer security. So if you haven't watched my previous video, then please I'll suggest you to access my video on the playlist and watch the post. Then you can understand clearly about this network and network security too. Okay, today we'll be talking about the network security. It's one of the most critical area in the computer's networking. So we'll be exploring about the network security means, understand the key concept of the encryption and decryption, authentications, identify some common network threats, and finally look at strategies to improve the security in a real-world system. Okay, so let's start with what is network security. Okay, network security is the practice of protecting network from the attackers or misuse or the data theft. It means that it ensures the three main principles, that is CIA triads. CIA stands for the confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means data is private. Integrity means data is not tampered within. And availability means the systems are accessible whenever you needed it to access it. Firewall, encryption tools, and authentication systems all work together to make the network more reliable and secure. Okay, let's talk about the key concept of the network security. Those are the encryption, authentication, and authorizations. Okay, these are the three main key pillars of the network security. And first, encryption. It scrambles data using the algorithm, so only the intended receivers can read it. For example, is the HTTPS encrypts the browse data to protect it from hackers. Second, authentications ensure that the persons or the system accessing the network is genuine. That person isn't a fake person. This could be through passwords, one-time codes, or even a fingerprints. And third is authorizations. Once a user is verified, it controls what data or resources they can access. That means that authorization means authority of a specific person. Even you can see in the pictures. Now, common network threats. There are some of the common threats that commonly happens, and few of them those are packet sniffing, IP spoofing, phishing, malware, and many more. Network faces several common threats. Okay, packet sniffing happens when the attackers intercept data packets over the network, especially on the unsecure Wi-Fi. Like when you use the publicly accessible Wi-Fi or unsecure resources, then packet may be interrupted by the hackers. You can simply say that. IP spoofing is when attackers discuss their IP to appear as the trusted device. It disguises that or it pretends that it is the genuine IP address. Like for the Facebook.com, it will make that face uh, faceback.com or something like that, and all the data you enter with your email address, passport, and everything are accessible by the attackers. Phishing targets users by tracking them into sharing credentials and malwares infect systems to steal or destroy information. Like sending emails attaching the virus and using those viruses to spread around the uh, computers to steal the data and information about the users. Each of these can cause a serious data breaches if networks are not properly protected. Yeah, because of this kind of simple errors, data breaches may happen, and there are a number of examples Because of these things, data breach happens. So these may cause the serious problems. So we have to be very careful regarding these things. So let's talk about the strategy for improving the network security. Okay. To protect against these threats, several strategies can be applied. Firewalls helps monitor and block the unauthorized traffic. Encryption protects like SSL, TLS, secure communication over the internet. Okay, and use of the multifactors. Uh, Multifactors authentication adds the extra layer of security by verifying identity in more than one way. Keep the software and firmware up to date. By keeping all the system update ensures vulnerabilities and patches quickly. Finally, training users about the phishing and safe browsing is equally important because even the strongest negative network can be compromised through simple human errors. So, in the conclusion, network security is the backbone of the safe communication in the today's digital world. So, it involves patching data through encryption, verifying users with authentications, and guiding system against the threats like sniffing and spoofing. By combining strong technology with a good practice, we can build a secure networks that keeps information private, reliable, and safe. Everyone should be safe in this digital era, and everyone should be trained or be aware about the simple things that may cause the data loss and may cause a serious problem in their life. So thank you everyone for watching my video. This was for today. If you have any question regarding the network security, then let me know. I'll be happy to share my knowledge and I can guide you. If I can guide, then I'll happy to guide you. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Please like, share, and subscribe the video.